Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your closing process with DocuSign. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your closing process with DocuSign, start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, click on the New button located at the top left corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Send an envelope. Now, you will need to choose the documents you want to include in the envelope. You can either upload files from your computer or select documents from your DocuSign cloud storage. After adding your documents, click Next to proceed. Here, you will enter the recipient's information, including their name and email address. Make sure to set the recipient's role, such as signer or carbon copy. Next, customize the message that will be sent with the envelope. This message will notify your recipients about the action they need to take. Click Next to move on to the tagging process. In this stage, you will add the necessary fields for signatures, initials, dates, and any other required information. Simply drag and drop the fields onto the document where you want them to appear. After placing all required fields, review the document to ensure everything is correctly configured. Once satisfied with your setup, click Send to send the envelope. You will receive a notification when the recipient views and signs the documents. After all parties have signed, you can download the completed documents for your records. This process not only streamlines your closing method but also enhances overall efficiency. With DocuSign, you can effortlessly manage and track all your closing documents from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.